Hey guys, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Google Nest Hub Max Smart Display, which comes with a front-facing camera and a subwoofer. And I have ordered it from Japan, so you can see some Japanese all over the box. And it comes in this big box packaging. And here are a couple of commands as well as the Google apps which are supported in this display. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what we get inside. So here is the display itself, and as you can see it's a massive 10-inch TFT display which comes with the speaker attached with it, and here is the subwoofer which I was talking about, and here is the port for powering this up, and this is the button to turn off and on the mic as well as the camera. And let's see what else do we get inside the box. Let me remove the lid, and as you can see there is some paperwork, and apart from that we have the adapter along with the cable to power this up, and it's a big adapter. And let's just keep it side and see if we have anything else inside the box. Unfortunately no. So let's just focus on the display itself, and let me just quickly unwrap it. And as you can see it's a really big display, and on the front side as you can see it looks like this. And the best part about this smart display is that it comes with a front facing camera which you can use for video calling as well as a security camera when you're away. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly set it up. So I have placed it in my living room, and I can control all of my smart devices through this display as you can see. And also I can view the live footage of my Nest cameras, like I can see the doorbell view camera, and I can zoom in, zoom out. And also there are so many other things which I can do with this display, like we have a dedicated section to discover more, like what I can do with this display. So if I click here, like what can you do, so it will show me lots of options, like what I can try with this display, like checking the weather, managing my photos, calendars, meetings, setting up some reminders, or maybe checking something nearby, like finding some good restaurants around me. And you can play YouTube videos as well, like this. And it sounds really well, and you can adjust the volumes like this. Also you can adjust the other settings like the brightness from level 1 to level 10, and it is a super bright display. And also there are more settings which you can do. And if I talk about the operating system, it is running Fuchsia OS, and the UI is really smooth. I hardly see any lag while playing the video or interacting with the display. And you can also use it as a clock or like a photo frame slider when you're not using it. So it's a really good display, I would say, if you are having a lot of smart devices in your home and you want to keep a centralized place to control everything. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.